For my Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, this is how the year 2026 is going to be for you. Fire signs, sun, moon, or rising. Let's talk about that because, damn, the first card was a fiery card. Okay, great. Knight of Wands in reverse. Things have been unsuccessfully stagnant for you in the year 2025. Like, even if you got what you wanted in that year, things were not moving up to a great level of yes, 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 as you would have wanted it to, right? And I feel like somewhere or the other, right now, also, you are in a space where you feel very lost. You know, you don't know how to approach things, how to really gain that kind of momentum back again. And a lot of you also might have lost somebody that they truly were near to. Now, moving towards the year 2026, it's all going to be about hard work. I feel like मोमेंटम को छोड़ के कि सब जल्दी 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 होना चाहिए. You have to believe in yourself, in your capability to make it happen. You have to still be moving. The problem is you are still very, very stagnant, right? 2026 will talk about being very, very disciplined in your journey. If you're not disciplined, you're not gonna get anywhere. And then putting in the effort, right? ऐसा ना करना कि एफर्ट डालते जाना विदाउट डायरेक्शन एंड विदाउट प्लानिंग, वो आपको कहीं नहीं लेके जाएगा. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हुए आपका प्लान बहुत सॉलिड होना चाहिए और आपका बिलीफ आपके अंदर बहुत सॉलिड होना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ यू आर डाउटफुल, हु एल्स विल बिलीव इन योर जर्नी? You have the vision, you have the power to create. Remember, the kind of support that you're also looking for is going to be there as well. And the only way you'll be able to make what you want in the year 2026 is with more clarity. राइट मेहनत आ रही है आपके लिए, रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं आपके लिए 2026 में, एंड द एबिलिटी टू मैनिफेस्ट वॉट एवर इट इज दैट यू वॉन्ट इज इन योर हैंड्स. रिमेंबर, यू आर द क्रिएटर. ये याद रखना, फायर साइंस, माई लव्स, इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू. डोंट ओनली थिंक अबाउट जनरेटिंग generational wealth. Move in what feels right. This is your time to do that, right? सब कुछ जल्दी 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 नहीं होता है. It takes time. You want to follow your passions. Growing something takes time, right? And in that time, you have to understand to believe in yourself, because that is what's going to be the utmost importance. That and the vision to get wherever it is that you want. The clarity needs to be here. ये मेरा पहला स्टेप, ये मेरा दूसरा स्टेप, ये मेरा तीसरा स्टेप, अब मेरे को ये करना है. And उसके साथ साथ discipline needs to be there. That along with passion is going to give you wonders for the year 2026. Okay?